In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use the image set feature on Recraft AI. This feature is very useful for anyone that wants to create multiple AI images with just a simple click and unified settings basically. Alright, first you have to navigate to Recraft.ai and then start a new project, and after that on this editor you can click the image set button, and here it will bring 6 different images in one set. And there are a few things that you need to know. First, you can only select one image model for the entire images. You cannot just select a unique image model for one image and then a different model for the other image. All of them will have the same image model. You can click on this empty area, basically the gap between images, and then you can select the model that you want to use. I'll try to use the Recraft version 3, the default image model. And you can also adjust the aspect ratio, but again, this is also going to be applied to all images on the set. The only settings that you could customize individually is this setting, the negative prompt, and whether or not you want to use text in the image, and also the color. So these settings can be customized individually for each image. Okay, that's basically the only things that you could customize per image. Now, if you want to put the prompt, you can just click the set and then you can write the prompt here on this area, or you can click on each image and then write the prompt there. It's up to you which method that you find is the most comfortable. I have prepared a few prompts that I'm going to try on this demonstration, so I'll do it and I'll be back when I'm done putting all these prompts into this image set on Recraft AI. So I'll be back very soon. Alright, I'm on my last prompt and I'm going to just copy this and click the image and then paste the prompt, and there you go. So all these images, soon to be images, have their own prompt. Alright, now if you want to run all the prompts at the same time, just select the image set and click the Recraft button. And Recraft will start generating images based on the prompt that you have provided. This process will take quite a while, especially that we have lots of images to be generated, and remember, one image will require 1 credit, and it could be more depending on the model that you are using, but basically by default it is 1 credit per image. And there you go. So all of them have this result. For some reason they do have the same style, maybe because the prompt that I'm using, but they do look quite amazing. And you can click on each image and then you can download the image and do some editing with it. But if you want to separate the image from the set, you can click and then drag it somewhere outside of the image set area, and then you can use it to, you can modify the picture, you can edit, you can change the background and all sort of other things once the image has been removed from the set, but you still have the original copy right there in the set in case you want to do further editing or if you want to change the image. But yeah, that's basically how you can use the image set feature in Recraft AI. I hope you found this video to be useful, and if that was the case, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.